Includes, this storage container set contains 1 cup round container with navy lid, 2 cup round containers with navy lids, 4 cup round containers with navy lids, 1 7/8 cup rectangle container with navy lid, 3 cup rectangle container with navy lid, and 6 cup rectangle container with navy lid. Durable, glass tempered tougher plus lids made cleaner equals the worry-free food storage containers. Temperature and shatter resistant, go fridge to oven, oven to table, and table to dishwasher. Safe, these food storage containers and easy seal lids are microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe. Healthier than plastic and metal, they won't warp, stain, retain smells, or leach chemicals into food. Usage, store in style with this food storage set. From full meals to leftovers, SnugFit lids require a simple push for the easiest and freshest seal possible. Made in USA, we began in Ohio in 1905 with the aim of maximizing your home's potential. Today, our goal and location are the same. That's right. 115 years later, our glass bakeware is still proudly made in America. Since Anchor Hocking began in 1905, we've had a focus on 2 things, reliability and innovation. Anchor Hocking glass SnugFit food storage containers are essential in any kitchen. These products feature durable glass bottoms under sturdy plastic lids. The 2 pieces join together smoothly and tightly, so you can carry soups, salads, and even whole meals to work. Anchor Hocking glass food storage is dishwasher safe, microwave safe, freezer safe and oven safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This storage container set contains 1 cup container with navy lid, 2 cup containers with navy lids, 4 cup containers with navy lids, and 7 cup container with navy lid. Top reviews from the United States. Best storage containers ever. This set it perfect. The sizes included are exactly what I needed. At first glance I thought some might be too small, but they're deeper than you'd think can accommodate plenty of food. Love that they are American made. Been trying to be mindful of that recently. So proud to have this beautiful set sitting in my cabinets and fridge.